Well, we have a little change of scenery, and that's because I am currently in Bali at this incredible villa y'all can see right here. Bali is actually known for its digital nomad community, especially those who do e-commerce and dropshipping. So I'm just out here for a few weeks with a few of my friends, working, traveling, networking, and obviously having a good time. So let me get straight to it. Chances are you're watching this video because you're just getting started into dropshipping. In that case, congrats. Dropshipping and e-commerce as a whole has really allowed me to gain that financial freedom, more so achieve that location neutral income where I can actually travel to places like Bali and others and still make money online. So if you're just starting, a lot of people have the discrepancy, the confusion of how to get started with a Shopify store. Well, worry no more because I'm here to clear that up for you. So when you're first getting started, I recommend starting with not a general store, not a one product store, but something called a general one product store.
What?
This is more so of a hybrid attempt where on the back end it's a general store and on the front end it's a one product store. This will allow you to test multiple products and multiple niches without having to change any of the brand assets like the domain, the logo, so on and so forth. At the end of the day, when you're first starting out, the name of the game is speed and efficiency, and a general one product store allows you to do this. At the end of the day, you don't want to be confined or tied down to a specific niche. In my opinion, you kind of just want to sell what's going to make you money, and then later on, once you develop those skills, you can really be a little bit more picky and perhaps pick a micro niche that you really want to sell in. For now, I really recommend starting with a general one product store, and if you do utilize my link in the description down below, you can actually save a little bit of money where you can start dropshipping for only $1 a month for your first 3 months, whereas otherwise you'd be paying $39 a month from the get-go. So definitely utilize that link. Not sure on how long it will be valid for. Oh, and I'll also be having a full-blown tutorial on a general one product store in the description down below, so check that out. And other than that, stay tuned for new videos every single Wednesday on the channel, and until the next one, your boy's out. Peace. All right, time to go jump in this pool.